Good morning, guys! Today, our discussion is more on other tools on attaining total quality management. So, it's more on performance management. So, what is performance management? Performance management, it is a strategic and integrated approach to deliver sustained success to organization by improving performance of people who work in them and by developing the capabilities of team and individual contributors. It is a systematically managing all the people in the organization for innovation, goal focus, productivity, and satisfaction. A performance management is also an approach to the management of people using performance, plan goals and objectives, measurement, feedback, and recognition to motivate people to realize their maximum potential. Performance management, an important aspect of it is a performance appraisal where clear set of quantifiable goals and objectives are used to assure an individual performance against these goals. So there are three elements of performance management system. Number one is the formal compensation policy statement. So this policy is specifically designed to compensate employees on the basis of their performance consistent with the company's business needs and financial capabilities. The company will administer its compensation programs without regard to race, religion, national origin, color, sex, age, or disability. The company will adhere to all laws and regulations regarding job classification, amount of pay, and equitable compensatory treatment of employees. An overall salary administration program should be designed that will provide the company with a competitive, easy-to-use, driven pay delivery system. This will include guidelines for determining salary increase based on the performance as well as related to administrative procedure. The second element is salary administration program. So, we start with the job evaluation, performance appraisal, pay for performance salary program, group incentive plan, reward program, and compensation communication. The third element of performance management system is formal audit success rating interview. So, this is mostly effectively performed by an outside HR consultant or consulting firm, whose objective is to allow them to observe and identify strengths and weaknesses that are not observable by the team. So, the principles of performance management are: first, to support business-oriented strategy. Second, it is value-based. Third, it communicates organizational mission. Fourth, it fulfills responsibilities to organizational members. Fifth, enables employees to management own performance. 6. Manages exemption, clarifies goals and responsibilities. 7. Create partnership between management and employees. 8. It emphasizes importance to measurement, feedback, and reinforcement. Number 9 is to empower employees. And number 10 is the natural extension of management. So that's it. So that's the end of performance management. So I'm just hoping that you understand the lesson today. Bye-bye.